If I say it's surprisingly easy to grow braided and multicolor hibiscus plant, would you believe me? Well, guess what? It's 100% real, and today I am showing you exactly how to do it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Gardening Upbeat, and I hope you all are doing really great. Let's start the video. First thing first, we need few saplings as it would be too difficult to merge them at later stage because of the roots. Here I got 4 saplings from a nearby nursery and all 4 have different colors. Look like Egon is very eager to learn. I did this in May, and even though it was quite hot outside, Egon's patience was 10 out of 10. My patience working on it. So at first we have to remove the complete soil. Before removing the soil, make sure the soil is moist, not too compact, or else we are going to lose many roots. Please do it as carefully as you can. If the saplings have net cap, then we would need to remove it. Usually we don't need to remove it completely or remove all the soil. If we do, plant may die after repotting. Cutting only the top part would be sufficient. We are making a braid and that's why removing it completely. It's bit difficult. That's why I am not fast forwarding the video so that you can see everything clearly. Removed all the soil from all the 4. Let's move to the next step. Here I am taking one 10-inch pot and I will be growing all 4 plants together in this pot. Potting soil mix 40% garden soil, 30% coco peat and 30% vermicompost. Adding 2 components at the bottom. First one is 10 grams mustard cake powder and second one is 20 grams bone meal. Please note this is optional. Time to bring the family together. First, let's tie them with a rope so that they don't move here and there. Avoid tying them too tight or else they would die. Please try to keep the soil line same level like how it was before and avoid burying the stems. Adding 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt. It helps in reducing the transplanting shock. Finally, adding some more soil. Watering, and I would provide direct sunlight only after 3 to 4 days. Till then, only bright light. Don't forget to cut the rope or else they won't be able to grow. Okay, fast forward 10 months. As you can see, they are getting little crowded and struggling to expand. Time for an upgrade to a bigger home. By the way, you actually don't have to wait 10 months like I did. You can start breeding them much sooner, as soon as they reach 2 to 3 feet tall. I have removed one plant as it was very short comparing to the other 3. Don't worry, I did not let it die. Using a 14-inch pot at this time. removing the lower leaves so that I can braid them. Well, not me actually, my wife. This is the final look. Did my wife do well? Please let me know in comments if she deserves a raise. Okay, my turn to get back to work. The top branches are getting leggy and messy, so it's time for a haircut. I am not going to bore you with a deep pruning details here because I already made an entire video on hibiscus pruning. You can click on the I button on top right corner or check the link in the description box for more details. Haircut complete. Now let waiting game begin. Boom! Look at this gorgeous multicolored braided masterpiece. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and drop a comment on what plant I should braid next. Thank you for watching. See you in next one. Bye.